This is Scott Becker with the Becker Podcast. These are five of the stories that we're following today. First, NVIDIA's revenues surged in the first quarter by nearly 70%, despite all the concerns about curbs on selling to China. Revenue reached $44 billion for the quarter, a 70% increase from last year over year for the quarter. They opened the day at about 3.51 trillion in market cap. They're up 7% year to date. Second, Tesla launched its Austin robo-taxi. Here's what to know. Just very quickly, amazing to see what Tesla has done with this. Tesla's a market cap of 1.04 trillion. It's down 20% year to date. But this robo-taxi, just like the Waymos, has the serious potential to disrupt the taxi business and the rideshare business. We'll see how it goes. Third, the U.S. markets turned higher today after, at least at present, the situation with Iran has not escalated further, and we'll see how that goes, how that plays out. We say so far the markets are holding their own. Fourth, in terms of Iran and that situation, the Wall Street Journal had rare praise for President Trump in his decision to bomb Iran. It basically said a nuclear Iran is something that none of us should be able to live with. And they've been very negative on President Trump in a lot of ways. The editorial report came out very much in favor of this action by the president. So that was, I think, fascinating to watch and thought-provoking. Next, the fifth story that we're following today is Under Armour. Also was up almost 14% on Friday. However, this company is still scary, and it should scare investors. The reason they were up is they were able to find financing. They took on $400 million in debt, which would be good news, except for it replaces debt that was at 3.25% with debt that's going to be at 7.25%. That's a horrendous thing, and it also reflects the fact that they've got their own challenges. Second, the company saw its earnings have 11% decline in earnings year over year. Never a good sign. Earnings fell to 1.1 billion for the quarter. The stock's down 15% year to date. Those are five of the stories that we're following today. Thank you very much for listening to the Becker Podcast.